Hola muchachos! In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to insert a symbol into Microsoft Word. So we're going to start with the word shark, and that word is tiburón. But there's a problem because this O is incorrect. It must have an accent. So I'm going to rewrite the word, tibu, go to Insert, go to Symbol, and click on More Symbols. Make sure that it says normal text up here, otherwise it won't work. It's going to start with your regular symbols on your keyboard, your numbers, your capitalized letters, and then your lowercase letters, a couple other symbols, and then you have your capitalized letters with accents. The first one is the one to the left, then you have the one to the right, which in Spanish class is always the one we're going to use. I'm going to come down and we want a lowercase o with the one to the right. You can either double click this, or you can simply click on it and press Insert and then Close. So we have two because I showed you both ways. So I'm going to delete that, and tiburón is now spelled correctly. Now you notice how this red line is here? And you're wondering why? Because Microsoft Word is reading English, and that is not an English word. If you want to take that off, you're going to go to File, you're going to go to Options, go to Proofing, and then exceptions, you're going to want hide spelling errors in this document only and hide grammar errors in this document only. Press OK and it disappears. Now it's not reading anything and it's just letting you type. Let's try something else. I want to say good morning. In Spanish, that is buenos días. The problem is this I. So we're at Insert and we're going to go to Symbol, More Symbols. Now remember, it starts the regular alphabet, scroll down to the lowercase I that goes to the right. Double click it and press Close. Now, the first time I did this, and I did the I, you can either backspace and then insert it, or if you highlight it, the symbol will automatically go to what that character was. But if all I did was just take it out and I went to Symbol, Insert, it goes by where you left off. So I had used the I last, so then I would put it back. But if you highlight the letter, it'll show you the actual character first time. So that's how we say good morning. Now I want to say good morning with an exclamation mark. So what do? We have to start off with an exclamation mark in Spanish. So Symbol, More Symbols, and see, it started at the I, because that's where we left off. Scroll up because the exclamation mark is actually a little bit higher. It's right next to the cent mark. So double click, close, buenos días, accented I. Now we can go to more symbols, but because I had already used it, it's in the box. So you can just click there and keep typing. You only have to click once, you do not have to click twice. And that's how we say good morning. Now let's try something different. Let's try a question of what is your name? In Spanish, that is, ¿Cómo te llamas tú? Okay, well, all questions begin with an upside down question mark. Symbols, more symbols. The upside down question mark starts right before the capitalized accented letters. Double click, close. Here's the O. So remember, you can highlight the O and the symbols will start at that character. Or you can simply take it out and click that. Close. ¿Cómo te llamas tú? So if I go like this, remember, this will already start at the U, or if you just take it out automatically, it will go to where we left off, which was the O, and the U is right here. Close. And now we have ¿Cómo te llamas tú? The way it should be written. I hope this video has been very helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect. Adios.